Hello unique divas, you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's tutorial, it will be a quick video on how to make this bow design on this Autogele. One of my subscribers sent this video and indicated that I should just stitch the bow part. So without taking much of your time, let's move straight to the tutorial. Alright guys, this Asooke is a remnant of my Asooke. I used it to do someone's work, so I'll just use it to do a quick tutorial on how to get that design. But mind, if you want yours to be too long, you can extend the measurement. So this one measures 44 inches length. You can see it. I folded it into two, that's why it's 22. I measured that 22 inches and cut it half, but you know 22 plus 22 will give you 44. So that's the full length of this Asooke. So guys, the first thing I'll be doing is to hem the edges. Okay, so I'm going to fold it this way, the normal way of hemming the edge of Asooke. So I'll be folding it this way, and once I'm done doing that, I'm going to sew it down. And I'll be doing something on this side of the Asooke too. So I'll fold again, then take it down to my sewing machine and sew it down. Mind you, whatever you do on this fabric, you'll be doing it on this other one. So guys, I'm done sewing mine. You can see the outcome. Next thing I'll be doing is to form my bow. So watch and see the way I do the formation, okay? Alright guys, you can see the way the bow looks, and next thing I'll be doing is to cover it up. So I'll be looking for another piece of fabric to cover up this center part, and this piece is measures 2 inches. You can see just 2 inches. I'm going to fold it up and cover up the center. I'll be folding this way, bringing the edges to the center of the fabric. Then I'll rub gum at the center at this particular point. Okay, make sure you rub your gum down here. You can use your UH gum or your candle gum, then place it just like this and adjust. I didn't rub gum here, I'm just doing a quick tutorial. Okay, just rub your gum down there. Then on this spot again, I'll be rubbing the same UH gum or candle gum. Okay, then I'll make sure I end up the whole thing at this point. Alright, you can see it. So while doing yours, make sure you end it up at this spot. Okay, just rub your gum, whether you use gum or candle gum, rub it down
All right, and make sure it ends at this point. So I'll be using my office pin just to hold it down, but make sure you use gum to do yours. It will give you a neat finishing, or you can tack this point. All right, so next thing I'll be doing now is just adjust your bow, because if you watch the picture very well, you can see that it's adjusted. Then this part that is not sewn, I'll be taking the last piece, this last piece here, then I will just adjust it. Okay, that's just the trick that is being done there. Just adjust it this way, then make sure that while adjusting, just drag it out small, but don't pull everything off, because you can remember you tacked it. So what you'll be doing now is just adjust to this point, then make sure that the pieces covers the back of the bow. Okay, all right. For me, I used pin to hold this point, but you can use your needle and thread to do that. And once you're done doing tacking and adjusting, your bow design is ready, and you can attach it to your autogele, to any design of your autogele. It mustn't be that round design. You can just use this design as your hairband as well. You can attach it to any type of autogele. It's just a design on its own. So guys, thanks for staying up to this time. If you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to click the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thanks guys. And hey, you can attach your Alice band at this point and make it to be a headband. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.